Good morning. We are the presenter of the critical role of top management support and user involvement in ERP success. One is top management support, the engine of transformation. Leadership support is identified as a core component of effective change management. Without active sponsorship from the top, technology investments often fail to realize their intended benefits. Um, Leaders, top management are very important for successful change. They make the systems like ERP matches company goals, provide resources, guide employees, and help reduce risk. Without without their support, the project must be failed. Strategic alignment. Leadership ensures that the ARP system supports overarching strategies goals and that redesign processes remain permanent. Um, Strategic alignment, siya yung making sure the system or change supports the company's overall goals and directions. Modeling the change. Leaders serves as single trusted source of truth by modeling the new behaviors and processes they expect from the rest of the organization. Siya naman yung leaders na God demonstrate and follow ning new system and also ga-guide sa iba. Resource allocation. Active sponsorship is required to invest early in essential enablers like multi-channel communication plan and role-based training. Siya naman yung ga-provide ng mga necessary budget, people, time, and tools for the project. Risk mitigation. Early leadership buy-in and strong governance are necessary to reduce scope, creep, and minimize organizational disruption. Siya naman yung ga-identify ng mga reducing possible problems before they affect the project. User involvement, building ownership and adoption. User involvement focuses on the human side of change by preparing individuals to shift from their current workflows for the future state. Employees must be involved in preparedness for change. This helps them accept new systems and processes, making the transition smoother and more successful.
This creates a sense of ownership, transforming employees from passive recipients of a new system into active participants in its success. Para maramdaman ng mga empleyado na parte sila nito at may ownership sila, hindi lang sila basta gagamit kundi tutulong din para maging okay lahat. Reducing resistance. Proactive engagement addresses user concerns early, which helps build trust and shortens the overall adoption curve. Agad na inayos at sinasagot ang mga worries o takot ng mga tao dahil dito mas madali silang magtiwala at mabilis matutong gamitin ang system. Role-based training involving users in targeted role-based curriculums, including hands-on labs and simulated transaction, increases proficiency and reduces the burden on help desk. Tinuturuan sila base sa trabaho nila, may practice pa para sanay sila. Super user programs, identifying and training super users allows for peer-to-peer support, ensuring that the transition is managed by those who understand daily operational realities. Pinipili yung mga mabilis matuto at tinuturuan sila ng maigi. Sila yung tutulong sa iba at dahil alam nila yung trabaho, mas madali ang paglipat sa bagong system. Top management provides authority, resources, and strategic direction. Sila ang magbibigay ng authority at resources at direction para umusad ang project. Project stalls due to lack of priority or budget overruns. Kapag hindi nila binigyan ng priority o kulang ang budget, pwedeng huminto ang trabaho o lumobo yung gastos. user involvement, ensures daily work, decision rights, and process handoffs are functional. Para siguradong gagana ang system sa totoong gawain nila at madali lang ang paglipat ng trabaho. Proliferation of user errors, workarounds, and failed adoption. Kapag hindi sila sasali, maraming magkamali, gagawa ng ibang paraan para iwasan at sa huli, hindi rin magagamit ng maayos ang system. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you.